Alright, so this is the Bostitch 6-gallon oil-free air compressor. I got this for free at a garage sale clean out. And you can see it's missing the fitting for the air hose right there. And this regulator looks to be broken. But no air in it right now. So what I'm going to do is turn it on and see if it builds air. Well, there we go. As you can see, quickly built up to 40 pounds. And it looks like it holds there. So it looks like I got a good compressor. That might be nice for some around the house projects, running nail guns, stuff like that. It's lightweight, easy to move, a lot better than that big compressor over there I got. But yeah, so that's a good score. That was a garage sale freebie. Bostitch air compressor, working condition. I'll go to Harbor Freight and see if I can get one of these regulators or something similar. And I know they sell the fittings at Harbor Freight, so I'll go there and get that too. So anyways, thanks for watching.